I'll be showing you how to use this iPhone 15 replacement screen to make this damaged iPhone 15 look like new again. So right away, we want to use this pentalobe screwdriver to take out the two pentalobe screws. Which is the first thing you have to do when opening any iPhone. Next, I'll grab my heat plate, and I like to set it to 90 degrees. And take my iPhone 15 and place it on the heat plate for about 1 minute. So after about 1 minute, take it out. And use my pry tool to start from the bottom. So here, since the screen has been damaged already, we shouldn't be worried about damaging it any further. So I grab 99% rubbing alcohol and put it through the hole just to get some alcohol going through to soften the adhesive. And I'll grab my guitar pick and go through the space made by the opening tool while I go around just to get it open. So like I said, I don't have to take my time. I can just go as aggressive as I need to be. So we can see going around the sides, getting out the glue. Like always, I like to wiggle the top once I get there. You can also put some more 99% rubbing alcohol to soften the adhesive over here. Always remember 99% rubbing alcohol is your friend when it comes to opening any iPhone. It helps soften the adhesive faster while you also use heat. I like to wiggle side to side. There you have it. The phone is open now. And as you can see, Apple's made this a lot easier to replace the screen, which is a really good thing. Now we can take our heat plate and put it away because we don't need it anymore. And grab our tri-point screwdriver. We just have one screw holding the flex cable shield down. So take that screw out. And put it on the side. Also take the plate out. We also have another shield holding the flex cable. We'll take that one out too. I think this flex cable should be for a sensor. Not sure which one exactly. We need to take it out because it's attached to the screen. And without taking it out, we can take the screen out. So now we just disconnect the flex cable. Disconnect both flex cables. And there we have the screens out. So now we need to disconnect this flex cable right here. That way we can transfer it to the new replacement screen. There's a shield holding the flex cable down here. I think this might be a sensor. So you need to use a Phillips screw to take that shield out. Make sure you keep these screws safe because they can be easily lost. So we'll put some rubbing alcohol just to get it to soften the adhesive. Also bring back our heat plate. And place the damaged screen on the heat plate. So I like to take it out while it's on the heat plate. That way it heats up as we take it out. Make sure you're gentle here, that way you don't rip off the flex cable. If it feels difficult, always remember you can apply more rubbing alcohol. There you have it, that's out. Now we can throw this damaged screen away and take away the heat plate. Transfer the flex cable to this new replacement screen. Awesome, now we'll grab our phone and just put back the flex cables. So we gently connect back the flex cables, starting with the top. I like to start with the top one first. If it doesn't seem to want to go in, make sure you're not forcing it. You want to make sure they're aligned. And next we'll put the bottom flex, the one actually connected to the screen. Like I said, if it doesn't want to go in, make sure you're not forcing it, else you're going to damage the connector. So make sure they're aligned. Then you push down. Once you hear a click, then you know it's in correctly. So before we close it up, we'd like to test it right away just to make sure everything works. Nice, it turns on. That's always a good sign. Awesome, look at that. Looks like everything works. You can always have this display not recognized message after you've placed a screen. Right there, it's going to show you replace display not recognized. It's just a message Apple sends, puts on phones just to let people know the screen has been replaced. I always like to test to see touch function works. I grab an app and just go around to see everything connects. If the app leaves my finger, that means that part is not working, which means your touch screen might be damaged. Now we have the iPhone 15 looking like new. Going to put on the shields and the screws. You can just follow the steps we did to take the shields out and do it in reverse. If you'd like to see more videos like this, check out the video on the right. And for a repair playlist, check out the playlist on the left. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.